How to fix Microsoft Teams app not showing notifications. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management and find Microsoft Teams. Now tap on manage notifications. Now simply switch the toggle on for allow notifications. If it's already on, go back, tap on force stop, click on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Also, go back to your home screen and open up Play Store to check for updates. Search for Microsoft Teams. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix it soon. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on a such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.